Microsoft has spent a lot of time and effort releasing AI into their SharePoint tenants, and so I want to take a second here to highlight the new SharePoint agents that have come out within SharePoint itself. So every site now comes with a default AI agent that understands content, structure, and permissions within the site and sticks to within existing access boundaries. You'll be able to see it in the top right here with this icon if you have a Copilot Pro license. If you don't, that is not visible to you. But you can see that once I click on it, it's prompting me with questions about the site itself, and every question I ask will be responded to with context of the site itself. Beyond the default agent for the site, every owner and every member of the site can actually create their own agent that is site specific and site scoped. So for example, if we had a HR site, we could have the HR default agent as well as specific payroll and timesheet agents here to answer more specific questions about each of them. And then at the same time, if you highlight documents within the web parts, within the document library itself, you'll see the AI action in the bar here, and you'll be able to use AI to summarize, create an FAQ, audio overview, whatever you're hoping to do with this particular document. I want to call out again that the only way this is visible to users is with a Copilot Pro license. And even if you are a site owner, this is still not visible to you unless you have a Copilot Pro license, even though site owners are the ones that are expected to manage and govern the default agents on their own site. So the key takeaway here is that SharePoint sites now have site-specific permission-aware intelligence, and how content and documents are organized directly affects how valuable that intelligence becomes.